It has only been 10 months since Samsung last refreshed its Gear line with the Sport model, and a new watch is now being shown off alongside the Galaxy Note 9. Like its predecessors, it's a nice round watch with a rotating bezel and Tizen on board. Unlike the others, the Gear branding has been dropped in favor of a more prominent Galaxy branding. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Watch. At first glance, there's not a ton different about this watch compared to its Gear companions. The UI is classic Tizen, updated to version 4.0, complete with a ton of watch faces and loads of apps which run directly on the watch. There are a pair of buttons on the right side of the body, with the standard set of functions to access the app launcher or return to the previous screen. If you've ever used a round Samsung watch, you're going to feel right at home here. For the health conscious, Samsung has added a bunch of new workout types for tracking your activities more accurately. There's also a new stress measurement tool which monitors more actively and includes a breathing guide for when you're unusually stressed out. It all feels like it belongs in the UI, like it was there the whole time, which is nice. For those interested in the specs, you're looking at a custom watch-focused dual-core 1.15 GHz processor with 768 MB of RAM and only 4 GB of storage. It comes in 46mm and 42mm options, with the smaller version available in a rose gold with a matching silicon band. The larger version, which comes in an LTE flavor as well, offers a 472 mAh battery. That's almost 100 mAh more than the Gear S3 Classic with LTE, which is great. The smaller version of the watch has a more familiar 270 mAh, but Samsung says you can still average 4 straight days of use with that model. Overall, this seems like a solid, if slight, update to Samsung's smartwatch lineup. But there are a lot of questions left to answer, so do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for a full review. Thanks for watching.